In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the quote number in Xero. Whether you're streamlining your invoice system or customizing your accounting software to better suit your business needs, Xero offers the flexibility to adjust your quote numbers, ensuring a seamless invoicing process that aligns with your specific bookkeeping requirements or preferences. Let's dive in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, the nerve center of all your financial operations in Xero. From here, you'll want to access your organizational settings to make changes to your quote numbers. To do this, locate the Your Organization link. It might look like just another part of your dashboard, but this is where you can customize your settings to fit your business operations. After clicking on Your Organization, look for the Settings option. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for gaining access to a range of configurations and preferences that make Xero adaptable to various business needs. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a variety of options related to your invoicing and financial documentation. Within the Settings menu, you will find the Invoice Settings link. This is where Xero allows you to fine-tune how your invoices look, feel, and operate, making your financial interactions as branded and professional as possible. Once you've clicked on Invoice Settings, you'll be directed to a page where you can further customize your invoicing process. On the Invoice Settings page, look for the Default Settings option. This section encompasses the foundational aspects of your invoicing, including quote numbers, which are vital for tracking and managing your transactions effectively. In the default settings, navigate to the quote prefix option. This might seem like a minor detail, but adjusting your quote prefix can have significant benefits for your invoice management, allowing for easier identification and classification of quotes. It's now time to adjust your quote starting number. This is particularly useful if you are implementing a new numbering system to enhance your bookkeeping or starting a new financial year, and want your quotes to reflect this fresh start. By changing the starting number, you give yourself a cleaner slate to manage your finances or align with specific numbering systems you may have in use. After you've decided on the new starting number for your quotes, do not forget to click on Save to apply these changes. It's a small action that finalizes your customization, ensuring that your new quote numbers are ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Xero to change your quote number, making your invoicing system more tailored to your business needs. This not only streamlines your accounting processes, but also brings a level of customization that can really make a difference in how you manage your finances. Remember, consistently updating and customizing your accounting software to match your business growth and changes is not just about keeping things tidy. It's about adapting your systems to work for you in the most efficient way possible. Xero provides the tools, but how they're implemented is up to you, and small adjustments like changing your quote number can contribute significantly to that efficiency. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you're interested in more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your accounting software, stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content just like this. Whether you're a seasoned Xero user or just getting started, there's always something new to learn that can make managing your business finances smoother and more efficient.